Good morning, guys. Yes, it is a wonderful day again, and thank you so much for joining me with this video. Today, we're going to try to repair and clean a Solenoid starter from a generator. It's a Shark generator machine, and this one won't work. So let's see if there's a corrosion or rust inside of this starter. Alright, so let's do it. Alright, I have here the solenoid starter from the Shark generator machine. Again, the last time we tested, it didn't work. So there might be a problem inside of this. Though you can see there's no uh, any sign of rust or dirt. But just to make sure, we're going to try to open it first. Okay. Alright, so you need to use first your wrench, or you could have a pliers with this one, or a long nose, so you can open it. So we'll try also to speed this one a bit, okay, because that there might be a rust inside of it. But as you can see here right now, there's already sign of rust inside. So maybe we're right. There might be a corrosion already inside of this. So I'll be speeding up this a bit. Okay, there we go. I'm using right now my 400 watts soldering iron. So you need to have this, guys, as well as like soldering lead, okay, for you to be able to remove the soldered parts. Okay, because two parts of this one are really they are properly soldered. So you need to have like a 400 to 500 watts of soldering iron, because if you only use like the standard one, like 60 watts or 70 watts, then it won't allow you to remove it. It will not work, since again it is a pure metal that was soldered to a I think it's a bronze like wire here. Okay, so we just need to be patient with this one, since it's hard to unsolder it. And if you notice, there's already a rust in the metal part. So it's a indication that there is really a corrosion inside of this starter. Okay, so okay, this one. Alright, so I'll try to open it now, because I think I already removed the wire. Okay, do it slowly. And all this metal just push through, and then it will separate from the metal part. So there you go, as you can see. As I mentioned to you earlier, guys, we cannot really tell what inside of this without opening it first. So it's full of rust, and this is the reason why it won't work. So even it has a voltage coming from the battery, it will not go to transmit or transfer that voltage to the other side because of this rust. So what we're gonna do, we need to have maybe like a steel brush or Papel De Liha, like that, to remove the rust. Or we could also use anti-rust fluid or liquid. Alright, so I'll look for that one here. Alright, here we go. So I'm sorry, guys, I don't have the steel brush with me right now. So I'll just use a very thin metal thing, okay, to remove the dust and the rust. And I also have here the WD-40. It's anti-rust liquid. Okay, so for sure it would also use useful, would be very useful in this kind of thing. So we're gonna try to speed up, alright, the cleaning. I'll do it right now. More speed is needed. Well, just a tips, guys. Commonly, it's a problem of such kind of generator, especially if they won't work it the first time. Commonly, it's because of this starter. So, might better that you have idea about this, and you can also, buy just one kind or type of this starter. Of course, it should be the same model and brand. But if you can do a repair, then it would be a best option for you. Alright, so I think it's all good now. So as you can see, all clean. Then we're gonna put back everything, including the nuts. And we need to solder it as well. Solder it back for the two metals to join together again. And after this, we need to check where our multi-tester. If you have digital, you can use also. Alright, so if everything is good now, then we will put this back, install it back to the machine itself. Okay, that we can check whether it's all good. Okay, make sure that you put properly the nuts. Okay, so I'm just trying to double check if there you go. Alright. Okay. So again, after this we need to use a multimeter. If you have the analog or the digital, then you can use them, because again this one is just like a switch. Okay, this starter is just like a switch. There's a button in front of this on the upper side, and then the machine will push that button in order to transfer the voltage or transmit the voltage to this another part. Alright, so I have here right now my multimeter tester. So I'm using an analog for this, and I will set this to ×1 because we're just going to check the continuity. Okay, there you go. So make sure that you have a good tester also, so that it will give you the reliable result. So this one is the push button, or the switch. So if I push the button here, there should be continuity between these two metal parts. Well, sorry guys, because my finger can't push the button because it's really hard. You need to exert more effort. Now I forget to solder the two wires from the coil inside of this starter, so I need to make sure first that they are properly soldered. Okay, this one, because three connectors here are joined together, so, and which is the ground, and there's a one positive circuit that went to the coil inside this. So we're gonna find this one are connected. So that's the one supposed to be connected to the ground. There you go. So if we press the button here, then there should be continuity between these two metal parts. Alright, these connectors. I'll do it here. Oh, there you go, but I'm sorry, it didn't show it on the screen. I'll try it here. There you go. Alright, very good. So I think we're all good. We've done it well. So again guys, Thank you so much for joining me with this video. I hope that you did learn something about it, and please kindly also share, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys, and have a good day.